Welcome viewers. We are going to see on how we can get mean of grouped data. Now here we have a question, calculate the mean, that is the mean of the grouped data. And now here it is. We have the rainfall. This rainfall is the same as now the class. Under the class we have 5 to 9, 10 to 14, 14 to 19, 20 to 24, 25 to 29. And now what you have to know is that under this class 5 to 9 or all these classes, you have to know that this class is what you call the upper limit, and then this one is the lower limit. So under the first class we have the lower and the upper class limit. Then we have the frequency. We have 6, 8, 20, 7, and then 7. Now from there you are going to create another table, and that table is going to include the class, which is now the rainfall. We have the midpoint with the x, or represented with the x, and then frequency represented by f, and then we have fx. Under the rainfall you are going to write the way you have been given in the question. So the first one is 5 to 9, the second one is 10 to 14, then 15 to 19, then 20 to 24, then lastly we have 25 to 29. Then from there we have the midpoint, that is x. Under the midpoint, what you are going to do is you are going to get the midpoint, you take the lower limit plus the upper limit, then you divide by 2. As earlier, the way I have said earlier, I said that the lower limit, this is the, and for the first class that is 5, the upper limit is 9. So meaning that you are going to get 5 plus 9, then divided by 2. 5 plus 9, you are going to get 14, then 14 divided by 2. So the midpoint for the first class is going to be 7. Then you write there 7. Now you are going to calculate that way all through down there so that you get all the midpoint. So for the second one is going to be 10 plus 14 divided by 2, that is 24 divided by 2, which is going to be 12. Then this one is 15 plus 19 divided by 2. So 15 plus 19, you are going to get 34. So it is going to be 34 divided by 2, whereby you are going to get, that is 1, 7. That is going to be 17. Then the other one is 20, 24. That is 20 plus 24 divided by 2, which is going to be 44 divided by 2. When you divide, you are going to get 22. Then lastly, you are going to have 25 plus 29 divided by 2, whereby it is going to be 25 plus 29, you are going to get, that is 4, that is 5. So it is going to be 54 divided by 2, whereby you are going to get 27. Now after working out the midpoint, you are going to write the frequency represented by f the way you have been given in the table, that is in the question. So the first one is 6, then 8, we have 20, we have 7, and then finally we have 7. Then from there you are going to work out for the fx. Then fx means that you are going to multiply f by x. F is our frequency, x is our midpoint. So meaning that to find the fx, you are going to get the midpoint multiplied by the frequency, whereby it is going to be 7 by 6, whereby you are going to get 42. Then the second one, that is now 12 multiplied by 8, you are going to get 96. Then followed by 17 multiplied by 20, whereby the answer is 340. Then next is 22 multiplied by 7, you are going to get 154. then we have 27 multiplied by 7. The answer is going to be 189. Now, after working out the midpoint and the fx, or after filling all the table, sorry for that, after working out the values in all the table, what you are going to do is you are going to get the summation of f. When you say summation of f, it means that you are going to add all the values under f. Now, these values are 6 plus 8 plus 20 plus 7, then plus 7. It is going to give you 48. So that is summation of the summation of f is going to be 48. Then you are going to get the summation of fx, meaning that you are going to add the values under fx, whereby it is going to be 42 plus 96 plus 340 plus 154 plus 189. We are going to get the summation is going to be 821. Now, to work out the mean, the formula for working out mean is summation of xf over the summation of f. Now, meaning that for you to work out the mean, you are going to get the summation of xf, and you have already found the summation of xf, which is 821. So that is 821 divided by the summation of f, and our summation of f is 48. So divide by 48. So when you divide, that is 821 divided by 48, your answer is going to be, so our mean is going to be 17.104166. So meaning that you are going to round off to 2 decimal places. So our mean for the question is going to be 17.110. Now you can omit that 0. So that's how you work out the mean of a grouped data.